How to find an igloo in Minecraft. So first, you just simply need to find a snowy taiga or snowy tundra biome. So these are the only biomes where an igloo can spawn. So you simply need to just search out the biome till you stumble upon an igloo. But if you don't want that, if you don't want to explore something, what you can do is just simply enable cheats. And to do that, you just simply need to click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that allow commands is turned on. Then just simply click on start land world. Now, once that's done, what you need to do is just simply click on letter T on your keyboard, then type in slash locate, click on structure, and type in igloo. So just type in that, then click on enter. Then this will show the coordinates of the nearest igloo. And after that, you could just simply click on letter T again to open up the command line, then click on the coordinates right there, or just type in this command, then click on enter. Once that's done, you will be teleported to the nearest igloo right here. But if you don't want to do that, of course, you just simply need to explore the taiga or the snowy taiga and the tundra biomes right there. And that's how I basically find an igloo in Minecraft.